Hi, I'm Kristen King from the Investing Channel, and you're watching Pink Diamond, the show where we help you find the diamonds in the rough of the pink sheet and small cap market. This week, we're looking at the world of cryptocurrencies, storage, and payments. Cryptos are rarely out of the news headlines these days, and not always for the right reasons. In recent weeks, we have seen huge price swings in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other digital currencies and tokens. However, at the same time, we have also seen a massive upswing in interest in the space among investors. Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking database, recorded more than 2 million requests for information on Bitcoin and Ethereum over the last 30 days, for instance. Those searches were made by a combined total of more than 700,000 individuals. That level of search activity eclipsed one of the world's most widely traded instruments, the Euro-US dollar FX rate, which was pushed back into third place in our league table of FX-related searches. In fact, 8 of the top most searched for FX rates within Trackstar IQ currently are those of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum also topped Trackstar IQ's league table of FX searches made by institutional investors, with more than 400 Wall Street pros searching for information about the two cryptocurrencies over the last month. One company that is trying to tap into this pipeline of interest is pink sheet-listed KYN Capital Group. Based in Nevada, KYN Capital is a holding company that is hoping to develop and/or acquire technology associated with blockchains and cryptocurrencies, including NFTs or non-fungible tokens, which may have applications in entertainment and professional sports. We should say right at the outset that KYN Capital comes with an additional risk warning from OTCmarkets.com, who oversee pink sheet listings, and point out that KYN Capital has made limited financial disclosures or is late in their filing obligations. To some extent, that may be understandable, as KYN Capital is a company in transition. At the moment, news from the business about that transition is coming thick and fast, and in the last week, we have had 2 announcements about new product launches. The first of which publicized the launch of Coinfold, a suite of cryptocurrency-related apps and services. The first services that Coinfold will offer customers are the ability to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies via the Coinfold app. Users will be able to trade in coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Cardano, among others. Coinfold is completing beta testing at the moment, but would-be users can register their interest on a dedicated website, and once live, the app should be available in the Google Play and Apple App Stores. The second announcement from KYN Capital focused on the launch of Coinfold's contactless payment gateway, which is aimed at retailers and business users. The gateway will allow them to receive and process payments in a variety of cryptocurrencies. Rick Wilson, the CEO of KYN Capital, suggested that the company would like to use the payment gateway to get on a similar footing to much larger competitors in the space, such as PayPal and Square. So the business is clearly very ambitious. That ambition and the rollout of new products and services has got the attention of Wall Street traders. Trackstar IQ has identified 352 separate searches for information on the company in recent days. Those searches were made by no less than 245 individual institutional investors, a level of activity and interest that puts KYN Capital at number 12 in our list of most institutionally searched OTC tickers. Looking at the price performance of KYN Capital stock over recent sessions, it looks as though the Wall Street pros are doing more than just researching the stock. Over the last week, the shares have risen by 9.7%, and over the last month, they are up by 39.23%. In the last quarter, they have gained more than 1,290%. During those 3 months, the stock posted 21 new highs, and volumes of shares traded have also risen, with tens of millions of shares now changing hands on a daily basis. The stock is currently trading around $1.80 per share, with a recent high at a fraction over 2 cents, but back in October 2018, the stock traded as high as 25 cents. As we noted earlier, this is a business in transition, and one which has filed few financial details, if any, in recent times. But even with those caveats in place, there has been plenty of interest and activity in the stock, and there could well be more to come as and when the company launches further Coinfold services and the app goes live. On that basis alone, we should probably find a space for KYN Capital on our watch list, if nothing else. That's all we have time for today, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.